Today I'm going to advance my theory and explain in layman's terms what Nikola Tesla was actually doing with one of his greatest inventions that he never saw to fruition, which was to give free power to the world. Now, he made this tower of power right here. And I believe it was Long Island in early 1900s. It was only partially made before he ran out of money. Creditors were coming after him. And he had to drop the deal. Here, this is going to be my experimental tower of power. We'll just say that this is the bell on top. And it is 185 feet. What are you doing, cat? See the cat spying on me. Hello, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. What are you looking at? It's 185 feet from the ground to the bell. And remember, on this tower that he made, it's not round. It's only round on the top. It's flat on the bottom. Now this may have been what it was going to look like. It was never completed, so we're not sure. It's really too bad because it would have been pretty cool. Before he built this, and this power tower was not an experiment. This was a full test version that was going to work of this earlier tower that he built in Colorado. Now this test station here has a 145-foot tall steel mast with a 30-inch ball on the top. So I have to ask myself, okay, it's 1900. Why would you, let's say form follows function. Why would he need a 145-foot tall mast for anything? Why would he need a 185-foot tall tower for that ball on top? That's basically the same thing, except a lot larger than this model. What he managed to do with this in Colorado was he was able to send power over 26 miles away from here. And what he did was he took a light bulb right here, probably an old style version of it, but somewhere 26 miles away from here, he had a conduit wire like this. It was out in the field, the desert it looked like. And somehow he was able to send the energy from the top of this mast to this field, this energy field right here. And when he took the light bulb, it wouldn't do anything in his hand. But when he stuck it in the ground and acted like a ground, the light bulb lit up. Light bulb needs a ground and a power source. He was 26 miles out in the middle of bumfuck nowhere, and he got the power to do it. So everyone says, well, he had all these secrets and he was sending power through the air. But we know now in 2012 or 13 that we can send a man to the moon, but we can't figure out what one man was doing in the year 1900 with a slide rule and some wire and some tubes. That's been the problem all along, is that we think he was sending power through the air. He wasn't. And like he said, like Tesla said, I am not a bullshit artist experimenting. He goes, I am going to give this to the world, and all I'm doing is working towards it. Okay, next part.